Today I'm going to be going over how to change an engine air filter in this Nissan Sentra. It is pretty straightforward. This Nissan Sentra is the 8th generation, which was made from 2020 up to 2026, which is the current day of this video. We're going to start off by opening our hood. Line our hand up with the N. Grab that. Boom. This is super duper easy. I love it when cars are easy to do basic maintenance and you don't have to take a bunch of stuff off. You can actually do this without any tools. You have hooks on this side here, one here and one here, and then you have these right here which come off, one there, one here. Same mechanism, just a little harder to get to. Boom, I just popped that one off. Takes a little bit of pressure. Then when you pull this up, it goes up like this and then out. And there's our filter. Then we reach inside. There's actually a little indent right here to get your hand underneath it. Also pay attention to, this is the bottom, this is the top. You pull it out. Woo, look, there's some dirt in there. So this is sucking air in from here and then pushing it into the engine, so your dirt's going to be on the bottom there. Another thing I like to do is when I get one, I will put the date on it, just month and year, just so I have an idea of how old it is, since sometimes you don't always remember when you changed your filters. But the new filter goes in. I'll put a link in the description for that guy. Now this part of it, now you have a hook on the front and back just like this, so you have to make sure this one's in and the other one on the other side. Boom, there we go. Now it takes some finagling, but I have it hooked here and hooked here, and then I take our clamp, boom, get that one, do this one on the back, and we are all set. Make sure it's secure. We're locked in here, and our snaps are locked in there. And we did it. If this was helpful, leave a comment. We'll see you next time.